Hello and welcome to the Knife Nest. Today I have the Maxace Hellcat. It has 14C 28N steel. It's of course serrated, partially serrated I should say. It's one of the reasons why I got it. I really like that feature. You don't see that very often in butterfly knives or Balisongs. The handles here, or scales, are G10, very smooth G10. It also comes in different colors. It's got not a deep carry pocket clip, but it is a very long pocket clip there. The blade length, let's see, is about a little over 4.7 inches. It's a nice big blade. And then the weight is just over 5 ounces. So it's not terribly heavy. It's kind of hard to do this in this area right here. It's kind of a small area. And this here is spring loaded, so when you squeeze it, it pops open. And then you can just pop it right back in there. And it's a I guess that would be considered a stone wash finish. It's very smooth though. It's not like textured at all. The action is not super smooth, but over time I would imagine it gets a little better. You can see there are washers on there. They're not bearings. But as for Balisongs go, they're usually pretty heavy, so 5 ounces isn't bad at all. You can really EDC this easily. You can hear it a little bit in the washers there. I have another one that is on bearings from Bear & Son. It's a little bit smoother. So if you're looking to do this for like tricks and stuff, I would go with something with bearings instead. It's very good fit and finish though. I mean, the other one I have from Bear & Son, it's rusting along the handle, and the spring is like sticks out and pokes you. This is very good quality put together, the way it's put together. Currently, right now, you can only get these from Maxace, from their website. They are running right now for $150. Other than, let's see, there's another configuration. There's carbon fiber. So the carbon fiber will run you $280. So if you're really into carbon fiber, go for that. But all the other offerings are G10. Looks like the only one they have in stock right now is white G10, so it might be a little bit of a wait for it. But I've really enjoyed it. I really like it. I love the serrations. I love the lighter weight of it. Lighter weightness? What would be the correct term for that? It's very nice though. I do like it. The serrations aren't terribly sharp, but I will say the rest of the blade came very sharp. I will put a link in the description for Maxace's website where you can get one of these. Please like and subscribe. Head on over to Instagram and check me out on there. And this is Tommy taking flight from the Knife Nest.